Welcome to Science Store online classes.
Don't forget to like our video and subscribe our YouTube channel for all the updates.
So next we'll discuss about the topic difference between belongs to and subset. Okay, see, most of you might have confusion between these two topics. What you mean by belongs to and what you mean by subset of. Okay, yes, so in today's session we'll clarify about that. Okay, yes, see, I'll make two columns here. So before that I'll take one example. Let A is equal to set containing 1, 2, set containing 3, 4, 3, 4 I'll consider. Yes, that's all. Okay, see, set A is equal to set containing flower bracket 1, 2, another set I have 3, 4. Okay, next closed flower bracket. Okay, yes. So now I'll make two columns. Okay, say first column is belongs to. First column is about to belongs to. Second column is about to subset of. Okay, yes. See, basically you have studied about what is the symbol of belongs to and what is the symbol of a subset of, isn't it? Belongs to is denoted by which one? This is a symbol for belongs to, isn't it? Okay. Next, subset of. What is the symbol? This is a symbol for a subset of, isn't it? Okay. Yes. See. Belongs to. When we can use this belongs to symbol? See, if any element, if any one particular element is belongs to one set, given set, then we'll use this symbol, isn't it? Okay. See, I have considered here one set. Let A is equal to set containing 1, 2, 3, flower bracket 3, 4, isn't it? Okay. See, here one element I'll consider 1, isn't it? Okay. See, whether this one element 1 belongs to this given set A? Yes. So therefore I'll write 1 belongs to A. 1 belongs to A. Okay. Here 1 is nothing but this is one of the element. Right? Okay. Next, another element I'll consider 2. Okay. Again that 2 is belongs to this set A. Isn't it? Again 2 is one of the element and which is belongs to A. Right? Okay. Next, third element. What about your third element? Set containing 3, 4. Okay. Yes. See, most of you will get confusion here. Why? See, by looking at this you can say, ma'am, this is one of the set. How can you say this is belongs? See here. This is one of the, yeah, this is set, correct. But in this case, this is one of the element, isn't it? In this case, this is one of the element of this set A. Okay. So therefore, we can say set containing 3, 4 is belongs to A. We cannot say it is a subset of A. Right? Okay. This is one of the element. Okay. Yes. Next, okay, if I consider one element 3, okay, if I consider one element 3, okay, just write down here, inside the bracket I'll write 3, 4, okay, does not contain in A, okay, 3, 4 is not a subset of A, okay, 3, 4, set containing 3, 4 is one of the element, so therefore we'll use this symbol, okay, we cannot use this symbol, okay, yes. So now, if I consider 3, whether this 3 is an element of this set A, no, okay, 3 is not an element of A, why? See, 3 is one of the element of this set, particular set. What is that? 3 is one of the element of that set 3 comma 4. Okay, it is not an element of a given set. Understood now? 3 comma 4 is enclosed within two flower brackets, so therefore this is not an element of this given set A, but this is a element of this set containing 3 comma 4. Okay, next one more element I'll consider, 4. Again, can you say 4 is belongs to A? Never. 4 is not an element of A, but 4 is an element of this set 3 comma 4. Okay, but 4 belongs to set containing 3 comma 4. Understood now? 4 is not an element of this set A, but 4 belongs to this set 3 comma 4. Right? Okay, so I hope you understood about this belongs to. Okay, so next I will consider subset. Okay, what is the symbol for subset? This is a symbol for subset. Okay, next the definition of subset we already studied, isn't it? Any element or any set A is said to be a subset of set B if every element of the set A are also the element of the set B. Okay, this is about the subset definition. Okay, yes. So here we'll study. So 1 belongs to A given, 1 is an element. If I take flower bracket to that element 1, then it will become a subset for this given set A. Understood now? Subset. What is the meaning of subset? The name itself indicates it is a part of set. Subset means a part of a set. Okay. So therefore, 1 belongs to A. For the same element, if you take a flower bracket, then it will become subset. Right? Okay. Next, 2 belongs to A. 2 is one of the element. If you take flower bracket to this element 2, then it will become subset of set A. Okay, next. Set containing 3 comma 4 is an element of A. If you write this element set containing 3 comma 4 inside one more flower bracket 3 comma 4, see. This 3 comma 4 is enclosed in one more flower bracket, then it will become subset. Understood now? Okay. Set contain, if you written just a flower bracket 3 comma 4, then it is an element. If you write this element inside the flower bracket, then it will become subset. Okay. Yes. So next 3 comma 4 set this is 3 is not an element of A, so therefore you can say set containing 3 is not a subset of A because 3 is not an element of A. Again 4 is not an element of A, so therefore you can say set containing 4 is not a subset of A. Okay. So this is about the belongs to and subset of a given set. Okay. So I hope you understood this. Okay. So you just remember this concept. You just know where you have to use belongs to symbol and where you have to use subset symbol. Okay. Yes. So next we'll solve the problems. Some of the problems related to this symbol belongs to and subset symbol. Okay. Yes. So I'll write here. Let set A is equal to set containing 1, 2, flower bracket 3, 4, 5. Okay. Which of the following statement Which of the following statements are incorrect? and y. Okay, so this is your question. Okay, so set A given, set A is equal to set containing 1, 2, another flower bracket 3, 4, 5. Okay, how many elements are there? You just count the elements of this set A. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are totally 4 elements. Don't say there are 5 elements. Okay, so this is one single element. This is one of the single element. Okay, yes. So now we'll take some problems. Okay, the first one I'll consider set containing 3, 4 is a subset of A. Okay, yes. To say this is a subset of A, these two elements 3 as well as 4 must be in set A. Okay, check out. First element is 3. Do you have this 3 or whether this 3 is an element of this set A? No. 3 is not an element of set A, but 3 is an element of this set, particular set. Okay, yes. So therefore, but 4 is an element. Again, yes. See here. Set containing 3, 4 is a subset of A they have given, isn't it? Sorry, I'll make correction here. See, set containing 3, 4 is a subset of A given, isn't it? Okay, yes. Is it true here? Set containing 3, 4 is an element, isn't it? If it is an element, then can I use this symbol? If it is an element, then which symbol we have to use? We have to use this symbol. See here, set containing 3, 4 belongs to A, But here given set containing 3, 4 is a subset of A given. This is wrong. This is incorrect. Why? This is one of the element. Okay? Yes. So what is this? This is incorrect. This is not correct. This is incorrect. Okay. So what is the reason? Since set containing 3, 4 belongs to A. Okay. This is one of the element. This is one of the element. Okay. But same thing. If I take one more flower bracket to this 3, 4, then it is a subset. If I write this element 3, 4 inside the flower bracket, then it is a subset. This is correct. This is correct. But this is not correct. This is incorrect because this is one of the element, not a subset. Okay? Yes. So first one is incorrect. Reason I have written here 3, 4 is one of the element of set A. Okay, this is not a set. Okay, yes. So next, second question I will consider. Set containing 3, 4 belongs to A given. Set containing 3, 4 belongs to A given. This is correct because 3, 4 is one of the element, isn't it? Yes. So this is correct. This is one of the correct statement. Okay. Next, third one. Set containing subset of A. I already explained about this, isn't it? If you take flower bracket to this set, then it will become subset. Okay. So this is correct. Okay, this is a correct statement. Okay, so next, fourth one. 1 belongs to A. Okay, is it a correct statement? Whether 1 is one of the element of A, since it is a element of A, can I take belongs to symbol? Yes. So this is a correct statement. 1 belongs to A because here 1 is one of the element of A. So therefore this is correct. This is correct. Next, fifth one. I'll consider fifth one. Okay. 1 is a subset of A. Is it correct? 1 is element, isn't it? 1 is element. Element can never be a subset of any set. Understood, no? So therefore 1 is a subset of A. This is incorrect. This is incorrect. Okay. What is the reason? Because 1 belongs to A. Okay. Here 1 is one of the element. Element can never be a subset of any set. Okay. Element always belongs to A. Okay. Yes. So next, sixth one I'll consider. Set containing 1, 2, 5. Okay. Set containing 1, 2, 5. All these three elements are belongs to the set A. So therefore, if you take a flower bracket, obviously it will become a subset of A. So this is correct. Okay, whatever they have given in the question, this is correct. Okay, set containing 1, 2, 5 is a subset of A. Whatever they have given, this is a correct statement. Okay, because 1 is also one element, 2 is also that element of set A, 5 is also one of the element of that set A. So if you take flower bracket to these three elements, then it will become a subset. Okay, so therefore this is a subset of this given set. So therefore this is a correct statement. So next, seventh one. Set containing 1, 2, 3 is a subset of A. Is it correct? 1, just take the number. 1 belongs to A, correct? 2 belongs to A, correct? But 3, whether this 3 belongs to this set? No, this 3 is not an element of this set A, but 3 is element of this particular set 3, 4. Okay, so since 3 is not an element of set A, it is set containing 1, 2, 3 is not a subset of A. Okay, so whatever they have given here, this is incorrect. This is incorrect. Okay, so what is the reason? Since 3 does not belongs to A. Okay, because 3 is not an element of A, it will not become a subset of this given set A. Okay, next, next problem, 8th one. Yes, is it a correct statement? Empty set. First look at this empty set. Whether this empty set is an element of this set? No. Okay, do you have your empty set? Not there, isn't it? So since empty set is not an element of this set A, set containing this empty set is not a subset. Understood, no? So therefore this is incorrect. This is incorrect. Okay, so why it is incorrect? Since empty set is not an element of the set A. Okay, because do you have your empty set? 1, 2, 3, 4, only 4 elements are there. Do you have this symbol here? Not there, isn't it? So therefore you can say that this is not an element of A. So therefore this is incorrect. Okay, next, 9th one. See once, empty set belongs to A. Okay, empty, this is a set. Empty set means this is one of the set. Okay, whether set can be a belongs to A, can I use for this set? Can I use the symbol for this set? We can use it for element, but for this set we cannot use this symbol. Okay, but if they are given like this, empty set is a subset of A, then it is correct. Empty set always be a subset of A. It will not be an element of A. Understood now? Okay. So therefore here given empty set belongs to A, they have given. So this is incorrect. This is incorrect. Okay. Why it is incorrect? Because do you have here empty set? No, because empty set is not belongs to A. Okay. Empty set not given. Okay. So if it is a set, we cannot use this symbol. Okay, empty set means this is one of the set, isn't it? For this set we cannot use this symbol. Belongs to symbol we cannot use. We have to use a subset symbol. Okay, yes. Next, 10th one. Is it correct? Empty set is a subset of A. Yes, this is correct. Empty set. Set means always it will be a subset. Empty set always will be a subset, isn't it? So, this is correct. Okay. So, this is about the belongs to symbol and which one? A subset symbol. Okay. So, if you know the meaning of these two symbol, or if you know if you know to differentiate these two symbol perfectly, you can solve these problems. Okay. So, these are all basic information. Some of the basic informations you must know while you are going to solve some problems from next chapter, like relation and functions. But you must know about this. What you mean by belongs to and what you mean by subset. Okay. Yes.
Don't forget to like our video and subscribe our YouTube channel for all the updates.